Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with PerkiPerkins. On my channel, I do a lot of unboxings, skincare and makeup tutorials, and I also do product reviews along the way. Today, as you read from my title, I'm having a slightly different unboxing that I'm used to. I typically do subscription unboxing, haul unboxings, things of that sort, right? So today, you guys, I'm going to be doing a little unboxing of what I feel is the largest investment I've ever done for my platform, not only for my YouTube channel, but it's also for my Instagram actually, as I'm expanding, and I want to make sure I not only do good quality content, I want to make sure it looks good and it's proper quality content. You know, they always say it's not quantity, it's quality. So if you're interested in seeing what big investment I just made for my channel and my social media platforms, make sure you keep on watching. But before I go any further, don't forget, you guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, select all in your notifications. This way YouTube notifies you the moment I do any uploads. And lastly, don't forget, make sure you guys enter my active giveaway. I'm going to link it up in the cards and down in the description. So let's get to it, you guys. I'm ready to show you guys my big investment. So as it says in my title, I have made a big investment, and I'm pretty sure it's not probably the largest investment an influencer or YouTuber has made, but for me, it's a big investment, you guys, as I have purchased a new camera and you know, a few little gizmos that go along with it. For those of you who don't know, or you might not know, for the last almost year, I've been filming on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And prior to getting this phone, because I picked it up around January, late January, early February, but prior to that, I was actually filming on an iPhone 8 Plus. So definitely when you go back to my much older videos, my video quality was even nowhere near as good. So after a long time of saving and saving and saving, because I knew it would be a big investment, I finally saved for my first camera, you guys. So you guys can see this right here. This is the Sony ZV1. This camera in particular was specifically made for content creators, vloggers, beauty YouTubers, and things like that. I've seriously been researching cameras for months and months and months, and this is the camera that I just kept on going back to. The biggest reason why I was seeing other YouTubers, you know, that were comparing this camera to a higher end, like I think it was this Canon M50, which is like beginner but high end when it comes to the Canons and wanting to be more professional. Well, that's what this was being compared to, and this won on multiple categories. The only thing it didn't win on is the fact you don't have the switchable lenses. Other than that, audio, video, all that fun stuff, it beat it, and especially the price tag as well. So being that I am not a tech savvy person, you guys, I am not. So I knew if I would purchase something that was very intricate, like a lot of moving pieces, a lot of different buttons and settings kind of deal, it would be too difficult for me to learn it fast. Because this is the thing, I wanted to be able to get a new camera and pick up as fast as I did with the iPhone. This particular camera is supposed to be what I'm calling it Janet proof, or stupid proof, you know. So it's supposed to be very, very easy. It has like its buttons and all that fun stuff, but where it's like easy, like super easy. And if you're wondering on the price point, I did purchase it on sale for $6.99. Normally it retails for $7.99. They did also just launch the white one, which was very tempting to get the white one, but then I thought about it. I'm like, I'm always leaving my stuff everywhere and dropping them. If I ended up scuffing it, I would most likely end up like having that looking all janky really fast. So I decided just to stick to the black one. You know what I mean? If you look right there, it tells you all the different fun features, which I don't know most of them, like honestly. I understand that it says it's a 4K HDR recorder. It has the Wi-Fi, so you can easily transport your file. Let me open it up and stop talking, and I'll show you guys the camera as I'm like discussing it. P.S. I was very excited when I got it. I opened it and I started charging it right away when my husband goes, "You're not unboxing that? Like, really? Like, you unbox everything else." So this is how the box comes. Very nicely packaged. Like, each little piece had its own little packing. So it did come with one of these little guys for the audio, a wind cat, a wind something, to stop any like background noise and stuff like that. So it did come with one of these little guys. And again, that's another thing I've seen a lot in reviews. Basically, everyone says the same thing, that this has a great built-in audio. So here's the camera, you guys. And look at this. It does have, ooh, it like, I forgot, it opens up right away. It's charged. So it, like, as soon as I open the little side mirror right here, or my viewfinder, I think that's what it's considered. As soon as I open the viewfinder, like the thing telescoped out. Wait, so it does come with your little viewfinder, and rotate this so you could pull it all the way out. You can see ourselves. What's really neat, you can actually flip it, so you can actually turn it. You can easily flip it so you can see your screen, and dang, the video quality is incredible. Hello. You could close it back in, and you don't have to worry about scratching the mirror, because you know, from what I hear, that's what happens a lot of times with a lot of these expensive cameras. I did like that feature, how it's like adjustable and whatnot. You have your regular on and off button. You have your mode, so they have multiple different modes that you can do, and they have like intelligent mode, which again, for someone like me that doesn't know what the heck they're doing when it comes to cameras, you can hit just intelligent mode and it will automatically like focus and all that fun stuff. For those of you that are interested, I'll find the video that really convinced me that this was the camera for me. Customize it also and set your own custom settings. This button, that's the button for me that I was like, whoa. So for this button right here, how many times have you guys seen a YouTuber, no matter whether it's beauty, whatever, and they're holding a product and they're there for a hot minute trying to focus, or you're a YouTuber too, and you're trying to focus an item and it just takes forever to focus. And then when you change it back to yourself, it takes forever for it to focus to your face. This button right here has an automatic focus, so it will either stay focused on your face at all time, no matter if you're vlogging, or it will focus on the product. Again, just having the ease of pushing a button and being able to switch from, you know, focusing on your face to focusing on an object, I think that's really, really great. Not only does it always focus on your face or the faces, it will also make sure your face is pretty much stays lit. Like, you could be changing. I remember one video I saw, or it might have been the commercial in the ad from Best Buy, which is where I bought it at. But the person was like doing like a vlog again, and they were walking through like a museum of some sort, and they went from a well-lit area to a hallway. And of course, it's going to be a dramatic change, because nice, beautiful sunlight, now it's almost pitch black. It's like very, very dark. It only took a few short seconds, and the camera automatically adjusted to make sure it was focused and enhanced basically the brightness of your face. So it can automatically basically adjust the lighting for you. Yes. It's a very easy like button right here, so you could just like zoom in or zoom out. Right here, that looks like a landscape, right? You can push this, it's like C1. You could push this button right here and it will blur out your background. So if you just want to focus on your face and blur the background, you can do that, or switch it back where, you know, seeing the full crisp picture versus blurring the background. I think that's incredible. So you can like switch in and out, and again, sometimes you don't want everything to be seen. So again, another great feature that it's very easy and accessible, and you don't have to be going through all the settings. Again, this is a camera that was created specifically for content creators to make our lives easier, and definitely something that is very beginner friendly. And on the back, of course, you have all your little standard buttons to like zoom in and out, menu, display, all that fun stuff. This is where your mic jack is. Yeah, and see, that's another thing. Like, I saw a lot of other cameras that I was looking at, because I was more looking at Canons for the longest time. The one thing I kept on seeing is like issues with buffering, sound quality was bad. You almost had to invest automatically in a good microphone. There was some that didn't even have the audio, you know, that didn't have the microphone jack in there. So that would make it very difficult. It has your HDMI plug, and it has your USB as well. It does have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, all that fun stuff. So you can either easily transport your files from this to your computer, whether it's an Apple or a Windows system, and with no issue. It also has a really cool app available for your phones. This way you can easily transport your pictures from here to your phone, or you can easily upload them to your social media, which another really cool thing in my opinion. I haven't, again, I literally just got this, so I haven't played with it much, so I don't know very much about it when it comes to quality of the pictures, but I will definitely keep you guys posted very, very soon. And then down here is where you would put your memory card and your battery. So it does come with the battery, but every reviewer that I saw, everyone said buy extra batteries right away, because I guess the battery life is not the best. So that is one complaint that I'm like, okay. So I did purchase an extra battery just to make sure I at least had enough to go in between, because typically you need to put your battery in here to charge it, unless I want to invest and purchase like an external charger basically. And it can be mounted on any like tripod and whatnot. I also picked up the accessory selfie stick that they offer. So I picked up the Sony's Vlogger Kit. This is the Share Your Everyday. This is specifically for the Vlogger Kit. So if you're a day-to-day vlog, literally this right here. It's this handle, and it's like a selfie stick, and you could change it and all that stuff, and it has all your controls on the handle itself. That is freaking cool, you guys. The picture on the back. So it shows you can lay it either on a table, like if you have like a little table, maybe you're at a dining area or whatever, you can easily prop it onto the table and be recording. Or you can keep it upright, just like a selfie stick. You can swivel it 360, so that's very, very cool. I picked this up was because it also, in this little vlogging kit, it did come with the memory card. It has a 64 gig memory card from Sony. I just felt that that was a good investment. This on its own retails for $159, and again, because I got it on sale, I only paid $99, so I actually saved 50 bucks. And again, the camera, normally it's $7.99, I paid $6.99, so I saved 100 bucks there. So I pretty much got this for free. And when you think about it as well, these little memory cards get very, very expensive fast. Like the one I purchased, which again was during sales, it's higher than 64 gigs. It's whatever the next step up is, but it was still like 20 bucks on its own for that one. and I think the regular retail price for like $60 for that memory card. So this is what the handle looks like, you guys. And see, easily set up your camera. So you get your little camera, the little hole there, and just twist it. And just like that, you guys, you're all set up. And again, you can easily swivel this 360 degrees. That has a little tightener right here. Use it like as a mini tripod, so you can set it to any corner. It's easy to take pictures or video or switching between the two features, which is nice. Photo right here or movie right there. You can zoom in or out or tight and wide, and you can lock the position. A C1, which is so blurs the background or not blurring, which again is incredible. Like, come on, this is super cool. And again, once I begin filming with the camera, I will let you guys know what I think about it, and I'll make sure to do like a follow-up video to this video with like letting you know how I feel about the camera quality and all that fun stuff. And once I begin filming with this camera, I'll make sure to notate it in my description and in my comment section, you guys. This way, if you guys are interested or intrigued to see how this camera works, especially for beauty, because I know a lot of the videos I saw were majority vloggers of some sort, not necessarily beauty channels. So I will make sure to notate that this way. Again, if you're in the hunt for a new camera, this lives up to the hype. I really am. But again, if it doesn't, I'm going to return it. I don't care if I get hit with the 15% restock fee at this point, because do I want to be stuck with a product that's going to flop long term? Or do I want to have an incredible product that is going to grow with me, basically? And yeah, eventually I will grow out of it, because I'm going to probably need to get something that has replaceable lenses, which again, in my opinion, that's probably the only downside to this. But I'm perfectly fine with that. Again, I'm not very skilled when it comes to technology and all these gizmos and stuff like that. So for me, this is perfectly fine. I could probably be good with this for a couple years. Let me know what you guys think. Are you guys excited to see my first video filmed with this? P.S. I haven't filmed it yet. I've been scared because, again, I'm chicken shit. So, but I will definitely keep you guys posted. Let me know if you guys are excited for my new videos coming with my new camera. And let me know what you guys think. And for those who actually own this camera, I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions. Any tips and tricks, you know what I mean? Like, I would love to know, like, anything extra. Thank you. If you could leave it in the comments, I love you guys for it. So thank you guys all so very much. I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you guys take care, be safe, and I will catch you in the next one. Goodbye.